I'm gonna make some bacon sausage again because I love it. You remember I made it once before with my home meat grinder and backwoods spices and casings. Well, this time I'm gonna smoke it because I told Kyle about me making this bacon sausage. He said you should smoke it. So yeah, he said something else too, but I forget. But anyway, I'm gonna make it, grind it up, and I have casings soaking. This time I soaked them. I got about 5 feet of casings there. I don't know if I'll need them all. Hopefully I will. First I'm gonna grind the bacon into the bowl with the seasoning, and then I'm gonna smoke them outside. I won't show you the whole process of me grinding them because I did that before, and I'll put a video there of the last time I grinded them. You can watch the whole process, grinding and stuffing, but I'll show you when I smoke them in my little Masterbuilt smoker. Okay? Come here, let's get started. I have the medium grinding plate in there. I don't know if you can see that, but the size of the holes, because that's what I used when I made sausage before. This is only the 3rd time I made sausage. And the 2nd time I made 100% bacon sausage. Like I said, I'm going to turn this on and feed these through. The way these are shaped, they just go right through without using that plunger. I'll show you a little bit. Then I'll finish the process. And like I said, you saw it before maybe. Okay, here we go. A little bit. See how quick and easy that is? I know it's loud and annoying, but I'll finish this up and I'll be back.
2 or 3 slices at a time.
That's it. See how quick that was? See how quick that was? That was about 3 minutes. It's all out. Now I have this backwoods spice seasoning kit. Sweet Italian flavor, which I used before. I'm going to mix it up according to the directions. They call for 1 ounce of water for each pound of meat and 2 1/4 teaspoons of seasoning for each pound of meat. So I have 2 pounds of meat. I'm going to go 2 ounces, which is half of 4 ounces, because my cup starts at 4. Okay. Two and a quarter teaspoons of seasoning. This is nice seasoning. I wish you could smell it. Ooh, it has all that fennel and black pepper and sugar and good stuff in there. Okay, let's count now. 1, 2 1/4. Extra's okay. 1, 2 1/4. That's gonna be good. We're gonna pour that in our ground bacon, or whatever kind of sausage you're making. I'm making bacon because I love it. Give that a good mix up. Remember, I had my casings soaking. Let's go to the next step. Right now I'm going to put my soaked casings onto the tube here. Again, I'm going to make this quick for you. And if you want to see the whole process of this, check that other video. Slide this on as far as you can. And away we go! I'm going to feed this into there. I'm going to use my tamper and push it down. Okay? I'll get started and then I'll come back and you'll see it all done. Hopefully. Here we go. All right, there's the first part. Look how much we got. That's about 3 feet. It's about a yard of sausage. I'm gonna try to coil that up. Hopefully it doesn't break. And put that right on the smoker like that. My big smoker has hooks on top for hanging sausages, but my small Masterbuilt doesn't. It has racks, which I'm gonna use. It's gonna be okay. Gonna get a lot of smoke. Now I have a little bit of casing left, if you remember. I'm gonna finish this up. Probably get another foot out of it. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done with that. Alright, I get another foot out of it. That's okay. 100% bacon sausage. Now let me go warm up my Masterbuilt smoker and start smoking these. Okay, this has been going for about 15 minutes. I see some smoke back there. And these have been chilled in the refrigerator. Going in. Don't waste no smoke now. See smoke? Ooh, I got a little piece of foil there just in case it drips down a little. I'm gonna put these on the top shelf. Well, you can't see very well, but it's in there. Trying to get this coil in there. And I'm not gonna roll it or turn it or anything because it's getting smoke. See it? Funny shape. It's okay. We're gonna love it. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. When the smoke starts dying down, I'm gonna add a little more wood. I had this temperature probe turned all the way up. It was around 250, but I lost some heat when I opened the door. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be a couple hours. I hope I don't fall asleep. Alright, I'll check back with you. Maybe when I add some wood. I'm gonna let it go for an hour. Check the internal temperature. We want it to be 165. But I think this might take 2 or 3 hours. Either way, it's gonna be real good when it's done. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. And it smells good. I see smoke rolling every once in a while. I filled up the pan with fresh wood once. See that smoke? I don't want to waste it, but I want to take the internal temperature. Look down here. I don't know what you can see. That morsel in the back there. We want around 160, 165 internal. Going up. 140. 150, 160, 164, 165. Wow, I'd have to say 68. Check back here once. Yeah, it's all up around 170. But you know what? I'm gonna let my wood chips burn out real good. It's gonna be extra smoky. Done. We know it's done inside right now. Close it up. But I don't even mind if it gets crunchy, but I don't think it will. If it does, I'm gonna like it. That one in the back look a little crispy, maybe. It's gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna let this burn all the way out until the wood's gone. Maybe another half an hour, and I'll be back. It's been a little bit over 2 hours. 2 hours and 15 minutes, maybe. Ooh, still a little bit of smoke in there. Doesn't look delicious. Think I can get it out without breaking it? Get on my cutting board. Look at that. Piece in the back is going to be extra special because of a little piece. It looks like the casing broke open. Oh, but look at it. Oh, see? Hang on. I'll eat that piece, don't worry about that. Come on. Too hot to taste or what? I'm gonna taste it just like it is. I was gonna maybe put it on a bun or make some spaghetti, cut it up and put it on there. I can't wait. And I think I remember Kyle said put the bacon jam on it that I made a few weeks ago. But that's all gone. But anyway, check this out. 100% Bacon sausage. Smoked. Bacon. Just bacon. And the casing stayed on good, see? Because I soaked it this time. Oh. Boom, boom. It's so good. I like this piece. Well done. Check out this well done crunchy boy. Ooh, it's hot. Bacon sausage. Smoke. Try that in your little Masterbuilt mini smoker or your full size. Make yourself some sausage if you got a grinder. This is delicious. Best meat I ever had. All right, thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon. I'm gonna have this for supper. I couldn't wait to go in and fix something to show you a big meal. I need it now. All right, talk to you later.